benvenuti alla Tenuta Casanova.
Welcome to Tenuta Casanova. Casanova is an organic farm. It's a farm totally different to the others, also because the location is different. We are close in the middle of the forest. We are located in Chianti Classico in the Cipresseta Sant Agnese. The farm is organic, and we are lucky also because our farm is completely, totally out of any contamination from any other neighbors. You will discover all our animals. So you will see chickens, geese, ducks, truffle dogs, pigs, our friendly, wonderful bees, and a lot of animals, absolutely. I'm a veterinarian doctor, so I'm not really a farmer, but I'm veterinarian. So this is the reason, because the farm is totally unusual and totally different to the farms in Chianti Classico. Our goal is also to meet the people face to face here. We need that the people have to live an experience when they are in the farm, just to meet us and to have a lunch or have a dinner that is not like in a restaurant, but this is a very technical, a unique experience lunch or a unique experience tasting. Amazing part of your lunch is also my hobby, the truffles. I'm truffle hunter. I have two beautiful dogs, especially the young puppy Mia. She's amazing and absolutely an incredible dog. It's the best truffle hunter dog that I ever had in my life. So you will try something unbelievable. A very great experience that you can live to Casanova, for sure, is the cooking class.
The cooking class with us is an incredible experience. You will cook the famous traditional Tuscany recipes, for example, fresh pasta, tagliolini, tagliatelle, tiramisù, focaccia, and more.
The wine produced are totally sulfates-free. Sulfates-free because I am allergic and I love to try my wine. So I am one of the only 7 or 8 crazy farmers in Italy that produce sulfates-free. It's absolutely a very special production, unique, and it's part to this incredible quality to our wines. I don't produce no more than 7,000, 8,000 bottles wines every year. The powerful to the farm is to produce 25, 27,000 bottles. So we pick by hand just la crème de la crème. We don't sell absolutely more than this one. We sell only to private people. It's a very boutique farm. I produce also extra virgin olive oil. This is one of the best organic products to our farm, because 4 years ago the state has won the gold medal award for the best extra virgin olive oil produced in Europe. In 300 extra virgin olive oil blind tasting, we was the #1, so not so bad. I produce balsamic like the traditional balsamic in north of Italy, Modena, and this is produced with the grape juice and vinegar. That's it, nothing else. Our balsamic, or my balsamic, is produced completely without any addition of sugar. We have 2 different balsamic completely. One is produced only with the grape, and another one is my fantasy balsamic, Melagre, is produced with the apples. So apple cider, apple juice, and honey from our bees that we have in the farm. Both are aging 30 years in all the barrels that we have in 3 different cellars in the farm. The best mission that we are doing in this farm is also a special Africa mission. We built a house in the 2003 in Africa, in Kenya exactly. Very soon we discovered 300 children, orphans that was living into the bush like animals. So with Rita we decided to begin to donate part of the business to our bottles and to our products to build a small village for them. So believe me, my friends, for any bottle or any product that you decide to buy or to ship is a piece of your soul, the changing opportunity also for our children.